Hey everyone, this is the first video for my channel for 2026. So first of all, I just want to wish you all a very happy new year, and I hope that you have a bass-filled 2026. Thanks for all your support with Greg's Space Shed and the channel. It's growing all the time. We're about to hit 30,000 subscribers here on YouTube. So if you haven't subscribed, then please do that now, and you might be the one to push it to 30,000. If you missed any of them, my most popular videos for 2025 were my Jaco Pastorius video where I broke down his arpeggio exercise. My 5 bass riffs that changed my playing forever. This was really popular. A lot of you like my Pentatonics Scales Made Easy video. Now, another way to play this, position 2, is sometimes called the forward position because we're moving forward. We can play it like this, so the same notes. So we play A with our first finger and we shift 2 frets to B, okay, with our first finger also. Loads of you loved my 5 must-know bass grooves for beginners. I also made a lot of breakdown videos, so if you missed any of those or you just want to learn some bass lines, then check out my bassline breakdown playlist here on YouTube. In 2026, I'll be making loads more breakdown videos on classic bass lines. I'm also constantly seeking out classic instructional videos so I can see if I can pick up any tips for you. So if you find any of those online, then please send me a link via the website. I'm starting a brand new playlist called Soul Groove Basslines, and my next video lesson on the channel will be from that new playlist. As well as the channel here on YouTube, I'm continuing to make bass video courses and workshops to really help you to improve your bass playing, to up your game and have a lot of fun at the same time. My Pure Pentatonics video course will be launching next week. I'll be hosting a free masterclass where you'll learn all about pentatonics, and I'll tell you about the course, so look out for that. I'm continuing with my theory workshops. These have proved really popular. I started those at the latter part of 2025. The next workshop is on walking bass. So you can still sign up. There's still a few places left for that. It starts next week on the 14th. So look on the website and you can find details of how to sign up. I'm also launching a new groove workshop. This is called GBS Groove Gym. The idea, as you probably guessed, is to work on improving your groove and your feel. So there'll be the first workshop starting at the end of this month. If you want to find out more about what I've been talking about in this video, then head over to my website gbshed.com, look on the homepage or the products page or the store, and you'll find more details about these different resources. And also look below in the description, I've put some handy links there. If there's anything that you can't find, then please get in touch with me. You can leave a comment under this video or just get in touch on the contacts page of my website, gbshed.com. I'd love for you to now leave me a comment below just to let me know what you want to see on the channel for 2026. If you've got any ideas of bass lines, for example, then just let me know below. Also let me know by leaving a comment if there are any products, any courses or workshops, that kind of thing that you'd like to see this year. Don't forget to subscribe and to like this video. This is Greg from Greg's Space Shed. I'll see you very soon in the next video.